If you get 1 click, you earn $2.80. If you get 10 clicks, you earn over $26. And I will show you how you can get thousands of clicks every single day using this new website that we never talked about earlier on this channel. So the first step is to come over to this website. And no, this is not Netflix or Amazon Prime. I will reveal the name of this site in a minute. But as you can see, on this site you can watch different movies and TV shows for completely free. Yes, there are thousands of movies and TV shows that you can watch, and it's 100% legal. So the name of this website is tubitv.com. The reason why you can watch these movies and TV shows on Tubi TV for completely free is that they insert the advertisements and commercials into the content to generate revenue. Now if you want, you can watch any of these movies or series, but this is not why we are here today. What I want you to do is hover your mouse over the browse section. And as you can see, there are different genres of movies and series that you can watch. But I want you to select anime from there, and it will take you to this page where you can find different anime movies and series to watch for free. And now, I want you to open up any of the anime movies or series that you like. For instance, I am opening up this anime. So on this page, you can watch this anime if you want to. And for the purpose of this video, I want you to leave this web page open like that. We will come back to it later. Now, step number 2 is come over to this brand new tool. As you can see, if you get clicks from United States, you can make up to $150, where for the first visit, you can get over $26. If you get clicks from India, you can get up to $12. If the clicks you get are from Philippines, you get $8. And for the clicks from Nigeria also, you get up to $8. You can check the rates for different countries on this payout rates webpage. But on an average, you get $2.80 for the clicks you get. And by the way, all rates mentioned on this table are per 1,000 clicks you get from a particular country. So, if you get clicks from more than one country, the average rate may differ. Now, the name of this tool is adfolk.us. And if you scroll down, you will see that you can earn up to $22 per 1,000 visits or clicks. And getting 1,000 clicks is very easy, because today, I will reveal to you a completely new traffic method that you can use to get thousands of clicks. And the good thing is that you only need $10 to withdraw your earnings from this tool. So basically, this is a tool where you can shorten or shrink your URLs. You can share the new shortened URL, and whenever someone clicks on that shortened URL, you get paid. Now, the first thing I want you to do is click on the sign up option on the top and register yourself for free. And once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Here you can see your clicks for today, your monthly clicks, and the total clicks you got. Also, you can see your earnings for today, your monthly earnings, and your total earnings from this tool. Now before we move further, I want to introduce you to the Pawns app. Pawns app is a place where you can earn passive income online. You will find a link to this app in the description of this video. Pawns app is available on any device that runs on Android, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And the good thing is that this app is available worldwide, so you can be from US, Canada, UK, India, Pakistan, Nigeria, and you can still make passive income with this app. Pawns app allows users to complete surveys and get paid for sharing their opinions on different topics, such as fashion, technology, car industry, politics, and so on and so forth. Also, if you check Trustpilot, you will find that the Pawns app has a rating of 4.5 stars. This means they are trustworthy, and you can use the Pawns app without any worry. Starting with paid surveys, getting paid for completing surveys on your device is very simple task. All you need to do is download the app to your device by clicking on the first link in the description of this video. Complete some simple surveys on various topics, and get paid for completing and enjoying those surveys. An average user makes $1 per completed survey, and you can easily make between $35 to $70 a month, even if you do so as a side hustle. And you just need $5 to take withdrawal from this app, which is very easy to earn. Now let me show you a live withdrawal proof of my earnings by logging into my account. As you can see, I have earned $60 by just completing some simple surveys on Pawns app. And to withdraw this amount, I just need to click on Request Payout button right here. Then I need to select my country in this box, and I can select any of the payment methods available here. I can take this withdrawal to my Bitcoin wallet, or to my PayPal account. Also, I have the option to take withdrawal in different gift cards available that you can see on the screen, like Visa gift card, Amazon gift card, and so on and so forth. But I just like the PayPal, so I am going with it. So as you can see, to take withdrawal from PayPal, I will be charged a fee of $2.40. And the final amount I will receive is $57.60. So I will just click on Withdraw button to proceed. Next, the Pawns app will send me one-time passcode to my registered email ID on Pawns app. So I just need to paste my OTP in this box, and I just need to click on Authenticate. And you can see, I have sent the withdrawal request. And after some time the Pawns app will send me this mail, where I can take withdrawal by just pressing this redeem button. So once I press this redeem button, it will take me to this page, where I need to press on this redeem button again. Then, I need to select my country here, and just need to click on PayPal. Now, I need to type in my PayPal account email in this box, and retype the same in the second box. After that, I just need to click on this transfer button. And as you can see, we are sending the money to your PayPal account. Your money will arrive shortly. So now, let me log into my PayPal account. And here is my payment from Pawns app, $57.60. Let me refresh this page for you, so you don't think this is some kind of screenshot and all. And you can see my earnings again. So now you know that this is a legit website to make money by completing some simple surveys. Currently, Pawns app is running a special deal. If you use my link to sign up on Pawns app, which will be the first link in the description of this video, you will instantly get $1 as a sign-up bonus. The deal won't last for long, so make sure to check out my special link in the description of this video. Now the step number 3 is to go back to tubetv.com. And if you remember, we left this page open. So now, I want you to copy the URL of this web page, here from top of this page, and come over to Add Focus again. Now, click on the multiple links option from here, and paste the link in this box, which you copied from tubetv.com. After that, press this shrink button over here, and you will see that Add Focus will shrink this long URL into the short and sweet link. Now, you are ready to share your short URL to make money with it. And if you are wondering like how this thing actually works, or how you are gonna get paid with this, well, let me show you how. So the thing is, whenever someone will click on your shortened link, they will be sent to this page, where they just have to wait there for like 5 seconds. And while they are waiting, they will be shown some advertisement or sponsored website by the Ad Focus. So, the advertisers pay money to Ad Focus to help reach their website and business to large audience. And Ad Focus pay the portion of their earnings to us, depending on how much traffic we drive to their shortened link. And once the 5 seconds are over, they will be shown this skip button, which if they click, they will be redirected to the original website, which in my case is tubetv.com, where they can watch the movie for completely free. So now, I want you to repeat this process with at least 10 other anime movies and TV shows available on TubiTV, so that you have enough links that you can share and earn money with it. Now as you can see, I am getting an average of $18.78 something cents for every 1,000 clicks I get. And this is because I am getting traffic from 3 to 4 different countries. Like this video if you are getting some value out of it, and help me to reach 1,000 likes on this video if you want me to show my withdrawal proof of these earnings. Okay, so step number 4 is come over to this new secret website, which according to SimilarWeb is visited by approximately 1 billion users every single month. And on an average, a user spends over 20 minutes on this website. Now, if I show you the geographical distribution of the visitors, you can see that 28% of the users come from the United States only, which is really awesome. And that is the reason how I am getting over $18 of average rate per 1,000 clicks on my shortened links. So the name of this website is bilibili.tv. As you can see, this is a website where people come to watch different TV shows, different movie reviews, TV series and all. And you will find that most of these movies and TV shows are anime. So, the users of this website are a big fan of anime movies and anime series, which gives us the perfect opportunity to make money with it. Now, I want you to download the trailer for your anime. So for example, I have selected this Jinro anime movie. Now, I have to download the trailer for this movie, and I can find it simply on the Google. So, once I have downloaded the trailer for my anime movie, all I have to do is come back to Bilibili again, and hover my mouse over this profile icon, from where I can simply create a free account using Facebook, Google, or Twitter. So once I log into my account, I just need to hover my mouse on this camera icon, and click where it says Upload Video. Now on this page, I need to select the trailer I just downloaded for Jinro anime movie. After that, I just need to give it a better title like Watch Full Jinro Movie for Free, link in description. Now in the introduction box, you can write something like this, as you can see on the screen right now. And then, you just need to grab your shortened URL link from AdFocus. So copy your shortened URL from there, and paste that URL here, like this. Then scroll down a little bit, and under video details, I want you to select repost from there. Then, you can select the schedule release, if you want to release it on some future date. Otherwise, just click on upload now button, and upload the video to bilibili.com, so that, whenever someone will see your trailer of Jinro, they will see that they can watch it for completely free. And, when they will click on this link, they will be shown some advertisement by AdFocus, which they can skip after 5 seconds, and they can watch the full movie for free. And on the other hand, you will get paid every time they will click on your AdFocus URL. Now, I want you to repeat this with all other anime movies and TV shows you shortened with AdFocus. After that, you can keep getting the money like this again and again. That's it for today. Click the video showing on the screen right now to make even more money.